Think about it. The person who invented air conditioning was truly a genius. Living without AC in the summer feels almost impossible. So today, let's use simple 3D animation to understand how AC actually works. But first, a little basic physics. If you've ever used a spray bottle, you'd have noticed that after some time, the bottle becomes cold. Why? Because when pressure decreases, the temperature also drops. And when pressure increases, the temperature rises. That's exactly how an air conditioner works, based on this principle. Inside the AC, there's a spiral-type compressor that pulls air in, compresses it, and sends compressed gas towards the condenser, where the gas temperature rises above 80 degrees Celsius. Now comes the cooling part, and that's why the fan cools it down. This is why warm air comes out of the AC initially. That warm air goes out and cool air comes in. Once the gas cools down, it turns into liquid, which is then sent to the expansion valve. As it passes through, its pressure and temperature drop. Next, it reaches the evaporator, where the liquid turns back into gas, absorbing the heat from your room in the process. The fan below spreads that cool air throughout the room, and the water dripping, you see? It results from the condensation of the AC gas, just like water droplets on a cold bottle. The next time you turn on the AC, science will come to mind. And if you want to learn such interesting science facts, subscribe right now to Just Science Learning. We're bringing many more videos like this for you.